Hello, everybody. We're back. It is now December the 20th. Yes, December the 20th. Yes, and we're going to open packages from the Missouri Star Quilt Christmas box, number 16 through to 20 for this. Again, remember, we have not seen these. We haven't peeked. We have no idea. You're getting our genuine reactions. So you got your 16 there, Stephanie?
Yes.
Okay. What's it feel like? It's flat?
A little squishy.
A little squishy.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, it almost feels like that felt before.
Yeah. Did I get everything out of the bag? I did.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This kind of goes with the cooking theme or kitchen theme so far. These are
What are these?
I think they're called Swedish washcloths or something like that. They're
Oh,
like a sustainable washcloth, reusable, and they're very, very absorbent.
okay. Dishwasher safe. You can put them in the
Hmm.
dishwasher. Machine washable, bleach when needed, 70% cellulose, 30% cotton, washable, reusable, durable, absorbs 16 times its weight. Let me stand on it and see. Last 6 months. Okay. Eco-friendly, super absorbent. I have never seen these before.
Yeah, they're like what replace your dish sponge or your washcloth.
And their
And this
text.
one says quilting forever, housework whenever, and then the back one has quilt blocks on it. So it's really cute.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that is something I've never seen before in my life. I will try those out.
Yeah. Yeah, Swedish. It's by Swedish Treasures. They're Swedish washcloths, dishcloths.
Okay.
So I've had a few of these before, and actually the first place I saw them was IKEA. So
Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't recognize it because they're called Wet It, not Blugenrugenders.
yes.
Floggelpoker. Okay, that is very interesting. Not something I would have expected. Okay, 17.
All right.
17 is hard, and it's got something that's cylindrical.
Yeah, almost feels like a pen, but it's probably not a pen, I'm sure.
Could be a marking tool.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, there's
Oh,
two things in
you
here.
are you are almost correct.
Okay. I've
Very good, Stephen.
heard of this, but I have never used it. Roxanne's, was it Roxanne's glue stick?
Glue stick. Yes, this is great for applique, stuff like that. So yeah.
Okay, and it came with a corner
A
thingy.
point turner. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
The point turner has blocks. I don't know if you guys can see that or if it's gonna focus, but it has quilt blocks on it. So really cute. I love this.
Yeah, actually, I don't use a lot of glue stick and stuff I make, but I have heard of this and it's got good reviews. So,
Yes, it does have good reviews. And if you do the ugly sweaters, you know,
yeah.
you
Oh,
might use this.
yeah.
Yeah,
And I'm wondering, there's a point turner in here. This is glue. Do you think there's another project?
very well could be.
Let us go to number 18, day 18, and see. It's,
Oh, this one's real squishy.
yeah, it's real switchy, but there is something
It's
hard in there.
squishy, but something hard down here. Yeah.
Hmm.
All right.
Right.
Hmm.
Oh, it is a project. I'm dropping it on the floor though. Yeah. Bag.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is what you need the glue for.
Oh, okay. And this
Yeah.
is don't say usable. Oh, okay. All right.
Oh,
Ready to show?
yes.
Hexi Dreams pillow. You've got a template for cutting out your hexes. You've got so light double-sided fusible fleece for, I guess, putting them down.
Yep.
And okay.
It'll make them almost like they're trapuntaled with the
Yeah, oh,
filling.
right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it says glue stick. Yep, that's what the glue's for.
my first reaction was Hexis, but you're
Yeah.
not doing hand sewing on this. You can do it on a machine.
No,
So
we can do
oh
it on machine.
these are already pre-cut.
Yeah, they're pre-cut. The only thing you have to cut is the fabric, and that's what the template is for.
Okay, I get it. All
See,
right,
and
okay.
you can glue the hexes onto this, like the around the fabric around, so you don't have to stitch it. And
Right.
then you stitch the shapes down onto your background fabric to make the pattern. So no hand sewing, yay!
Okay. Now I'm thinking with that well in the last segment when we got the floral fabric, we weren't too thrilled about the charm pack.
Yeah.
Use those in this too because they're smaller pieces. They might look okay on something like a
Well, I was gonna say that's the fabric they used on the white pillow on the front, and it looks better on the pillow than it did.
in the bag.
Yeah.
Okay,
It
so
does.
there
Yeah.
must be enough pieces in that charm pack for both projects then.
Maybe so, yeah. Well, no, this has one package of 5 inch, so you need the whole package.
You
Oh,
just
wait, no. You'll use 12 5 inch squares for the 12-inch pillow or 19 for the 16-inch pillow. So I guess it depends on what size. And I didn't honestly look
I didn't
at
look.
the bag. Let me grab the bag pattern and see how much that takes. Oh, that takes a whole package of 5-inch print squares. So you'll
So
have to choose which one you want to use it for if you like that fabric.
yeah.
But I really do like this project and I don't hand stitch, so that's why I don't usually do like hexes. But since this is not hand stitching, I might attempt this.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. This one I might
Yeah,
give a shot for all the
but
same reasons you have.
I would do different fabric. I would probably do something like just based on the pattern that had like maybe greens and blues in it. I think that would look really pretty.
And actually, if it works out okay, I'm sure you can order more of these.
Hmm.
Oh, 24 in there. Yeah, so you need another package of them. And I could use some new slip covers for the cushions on my rec room couch. So
There you go.
I'm just thinking here, this one might be fun.
Yeah,
Okay. Right. 19 is heavy
19.
and it's square and
It's
it's flexible.
heavier.
And
Yeah.
another long piece in the bottom.
Yeah, another hard thing in the bottom.
Maybe it's a calendar with a erasable marker or something. Um,
Maybe.
I haven't been right yet, except on charm packs, but
Oh,
okay. Not what I thought. Get rid of
not what I thought either, but I actually have something really similar to this um, that I use for retreats for games.
okay.
So this is really fun.
Yeah.
This one's just a fun one. This is not a project or a thing. It's just a fun one.
It's just a fun kind
Yeah.
of thing. Now, for me, I'm looking in here, different logic puzzles, show and tell. I'll have to look through these because sometimes I like to play some games with people when I do my icebreaker cocktail parties before my
Yeah.
although
There's like word scrambles. There's crossword puzzles, word searches, and there's some logic puzzles in here, which are my favorite.
I am not a big puzzle player, but sometimes
Yeah.
like what I'm saying, like I'm thinking my cocktail party might give me some ideas because I like to play a couple of games.
Yeah.
So it might give me some answers to that. My first reaction was I was going to throw this in my little bag to give away.
Uh-huh.
I'll look at it closer. I might. And but I get to keep the pencils because I like the pencils. I like
I actually really like this book, so I'm going to keep it.
okay.
And then the pencils are nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you can always use a pencil.
Oh, I know who's going to take these in my house, though.
Oh, Sarah.
Sarah.
She
She's
takes
gonna.
everything. Yeah.
Oh, she loves that kind of like girly stuff, and those pencils are right up her alley. So,
So number 20 is a little box. I'm thinking
ooh, somebody got me earrings for my birthday. No.
moisturizer.
It feels like it could be a candle or moisturizer. All right.
I'm holding out for moisturizer because
All right.
At my age, you can't have too much moisturizer. No, not on this one. Oh, though, this is kind of cool looking.
What do we do with it?
Oh, what the heck? Okay, if they say, you ready to show it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. It says it's a crystal pin holder, but there is embroidery floss with it.
Yeah. So if
And
you open
under
the instructions,
Oh, yeah, that always
it
helps.
looks like you need, it says 2 5-inch squares, embroidery floss, crystal base, and crystal bead. Is there a bead in there?
Yes, there is. It's in the bottom of your jar.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. So you
2
make,
inch piece of cardstock or thick paper, glue stick, hot glue gun, scissors. So yeah, you have to make the top like kind of that tomato kind
yeah,
of pinch top, and then you put it on
you put it,
here.
yeah. Okay, I get it. Well, that's kind of cute. It's very heavy.
It is. Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
I might give it a go. I mean, the hand sewing is just a running stitch to pull in the,
Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah.
so I think I could manage that. Okay.
All right.
Something that wasn't what I thought.
No.
I was holding out for moisturizer, but so yeah, I don't mind that at all. That's another little project. So, okay, everything in my house is ringing now for some reason. I don't know if you heard that or not, but hopefully not.
No.
Okay, good. All right, so that's all of them, 16 to 20 for today's segment. So, got to think here for a second which one I like the best, which one is my least. This is a hard.
Okay, I'm debating on my favorite. I definitely have a least. Um,
I'm having a hard
okay.
time.
I'll pick that as my favorite.
Okay, I think I've got what my least is my favorite. Okay, I think I've got my favorite too. This is a
Okay, what's your favorite?
my favorite are these things because
I love those.
to me they're like something if I saw them in a store, I would walk right by them. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't know what they are. In fact, I thought when I first looked at them, I thought maybe they're supposed to be like a hot mat or something like that, although they're kind of thin.
Ah, yeah.
But
Yeah.
this, because they're so unique, I have never seen them before. I will definitely try them. So that's why I say this is my favorite. What's yours?
I love that. And that was a close second for me because I've got some of those and I love them. But my favorite was actually this point turner. I've never had a point turner that had like a quilt block on it. And I just like it. It's cute.
Yep. I have a point
So,
turner that's actually a metal one that I bought when I first got into quilting, and I use it all the time, and I really like it. I
yeah.
have these ones scare me because I'm afraid I'll poke them right through the
Oh,
corner. The one
well,
that
that's actually what I was thinking that I like about it, that it's got more of a blunt end. It doesn't have like that super sharp point like some point turners do.
that's true.
So,
I
yeah.
will try though, for sure on that.
Yeah.
So, what's your least?
So my least favorite thing, and it's probably gonna be different than yours because I think you liked this, was this crystal pin cushion thing.
Yeah,
And it's my least favorite because number one, I won't make it, and number two, it's just another tchotchke thing that would sit around here, collect dust. It would get in the way. I'd knock it off my table. So not my cup of tea. That's okay. Somebody's gonna love it, and somebody's gonna get it because I'm gonna take it to Georgia.
yeah. I debated
Georgia
on.
people are gonna have quite the things.
Yeah, nice haul. I debated on this one as being my least favorite for all the reasons you've just said, and also because I have literally 20, 30 pin cushions because I make, you know,
Yeah.
like a lot of them are gnomes and that kind of thing. And, they just sit around and gather dust, a kind of a deal. But I do like the little crystal bottom of it. And I'm thinking, that might be good for putting a few little clips in or something like that. I don't know.
That's true. Yeah.
It's a shiny thing. I'm attracted to shiny things. But
Oh,
my least favorite is I'm gonna have to say this.
okay.
I see potential, but I know me too well. And like I'm gonna look through it, but I have a feeling this is going to go with me to Georgia, with it, but not the pencils, people. Okay, going to Georgia. I like the pencils. Those
You
I'm
like the pencils.
I
That's
like
awesome.
pencils. But this the thing that's going in the least pile. for that.
And we need an appearance by Chuck. Quack.
Yes. Yes. The Chuck. I don't know what I did with my Chuck. My Chuck. I didn't Chuck. There he is. Okay. All right. So that was day 20, December 20th. That was 16 through to 20 from the Missouri Star Quilt Christmas box. So put in the comments below what your favorite was out of that segment and what your least favorite is and why. We'll share those on probably, well, after the fact of all these. We can't share them right now because we don't know what you're saying now.
Yes.
We haven't seen this yet because we're in the past going into the future.
We're time travelers.
Time travel. Ooh. I just hope I don't run into myself.
Right?
That could be scary. Okay, so that's great for today. So we have one segment left. That's coming out on Christmas Day, 25th. And like I said, if you're sitting around the house, waiting for the bird to finish cooking and you've already opened up your gifts, you may want to open up our video for some amusement as well. So we'll see you then. Bye-bye.